Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to create your Advertiser profile and configure your account settings. To begin, select the Login/Sign Up button in the top right corner and select Sign Up. Choose the Sign Up as Advertiser option. Fill in the details required by creating your username and password. Continue to fill in all details to register your company's account. Make sure to fill in all 3 tabs. Now you have registered your account, check your inbox for your account verification email. By clicking the link on your email, you will be able to verify your account, and it will take you through to a login page. Fill in your details to continue to your dashboard. Now, in your dashboard, use the menu on the left to select Profile and then Account Settings. Make sure to fill out all details. As an optional step, add your bank details to receive payment if you also wish to rent out your equipment. You have now completed your profile and account setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.